All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, using the Drip network, get 365% on your initial investment, 1% a day. All kinds of awesome stuff with cryptocurrency. Been talking about passive income, doing that with nodes. Today, we're going to be talking about Saitama Inu. We're going to go to a price prediction, go to their website. We're going to go to the white paper, check a few things out there. Also, basically, the coin is down right this second. It could be a ding, ding, ding. Could be a good discount buy. Check that out. And then our second thing we're going to talk about is, Project X nodes. Yep, this is another passive income way that you can make passive income with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Saitama Inu. All right, over here, coin market cap, Saitama is 2864. It's down 14% right now. There's where the discount buys could come in. Down about 1% for today. Clicking it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and an 1834. Here's the last 24 hours. It is trying to make a little bit of a comeback there. Take a look at that. It's coming itself back up and then coming back down. But in the last 7 days, it is down that 14% from starting over here to where it's at down here. It's 14% down. Let's check the holders before we go to the website. Let's go in the last 3 months. What's going on? I think these guys hit a record here shortly. 250,000 people about 90 days ago, and today 332,000. That's 70, almost 78,000, 35% up. So there's over 35% more people holding the Saitama Inu. Over here at the Twitter account, here's an update. Wolfpack, we are pushing out this update on Apple ISO and Google Play Station. Wolfpack, we're pushing out this update for Apple ISO and Google Play Store today, the 18th. This includes some features updated to the app, splash screen, and also the final bug fixes. The SaitaMask will be shut down for 1 to 2 hours over the weekend for maintenance. Please keep an eye out for more information on the exact date and schedule maintenance break. We have our weekly AMA on Tuesday, the 22nd, on our official YouTube channel at 4 o'clock. Finally, we're pleased to announce that Saitama Realty will go live trading on Tuesday, March 1st. It will be exclusive to SaitaMask only. An exact time to follow soon. For SaitaMask questions, frequently asked questions, please visit our website, SaitamaToken.com. So there's just some updates of what's going on over the weekend here. All right, over here at the website, Fostering the Future of Finance. Welcome to Saitama, a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages, cultures, to be in control of the money and create their own wealth opportunities. The Saitama token is our medium. It was built on the Ethereum blockchain ERC20 with smart codes that makes it safe to invest and beneficial to hold. We're going to go right over to the white pages real quick. Haven't done this yet, so I want to spend a little time on the white pages today. Clicking the white pages, and over here you get your different languages. We're going to pick English. So they got a pretty nice white pages. It says, welcome to Saitama, a community-driven platform that promotes global financial well-being by empowering the youth to be in control of their money and create their own wealth opportunities. So this is about the youth. And you see all the youth right there. They're all on their phones and this and that. There's some statistics here that are pretty important. The opportunity. Young people inherit a broken world with multiple crises that need to be shown by their generation in order to become sustainable. They believe that taking control of their lives is the first step to make change. But to do that, they will need to understand how money works. This is neither taught at home nor in school. 93% of Gen Z say they feel confused or frustrated when it comes to the subject of finance. So that's 93%, everybody. Gen Z feels confused. The statistics at the bottom are going to blow your mind away here. With debt to pay, lifetime goals, and dreams to achieve, they must attain financial well-being by becoming comfortable with money and their economic status. This is where Saitama comes in, providing content to teach them how money works while they invest. Opening opportunities for wealth creation. Our goal is to foster human connection through financial literacy, fill the gap in crypto and financial markets, preparing the next generation of investors. Now, the reality is, Generation Z is the next generation of investors. Now, how this all started, the vision in mind, it was created in May of 2021. Passionate community of believers soon started to take shape of crypto enthusiasts joined together. However, due to the reason of force, our creator to depart the focus of his personal life, renouncing the ownership of the project and handing it over to the community. Following this event, a group of committed individuals who found a goal valuable and impact took over Saitama and continued developing it into a platform that will change people's lives. Now take a look at this white pages. Isn't this a pretty nice white pages, everybody? So here's a Saitama ecosystem: SaitaMask, Saitama Market, and Saitama Maker, Saitama Edutainment, and Saitama Studios. I'm skipping a little bit of this because I want to go to some other things, but there is some important things here to go over. There's a play-to-earn game that's in development, which is fantastic. There's NFTs there that you can learn about this. But let's go to the bottom here. The roadmap's fantastic. I'm not going to totally go through the roadmap. Here we go. Why we love the project. Generation Z will soon have the biggest power of purchasing in history. Let me say that again. Gen Z will soon have the biggest power of purchasing in history. They are pragmatic and financially minded, but they miss financial education. Only 10% feel comfortable and confident managing their finances, while 76% are interested in learning it. Most of their lives have been spent in a world changed forever by DeFi. So guess what? Generation Z, DeFi's here. It's always going to be here for them. Their digital native lifestyle has given them a step up in using technology, which means they can adopt cryptocurrency at a faster rate than other generations. 23% of people are using peer-to-peer payments prior to the pandemic. Generation Z are the ones driving this. There are community builders and natural-born communicators advocating the idea they trust. Empowering the youth to take control of their lives is a long-term investment in the future of our planet. Now, that's some serious white paper stuff right there. Saitama Inu, I got to give it to you. Fantastic. It does make sense. The Generation Z is going to inherit the biggest buying power of the history of ever coming up in the future. So, and they say what, a big, huge percent of them, like 80 some percent don't feel comfortable with their finance. And then there's Saitama Inu trying to teach them. We're going to play this. This is their mission.
Welcome to Saitama Inu. We are a global community of committed individuals, building a platform that will help people understand money and create their own wealth opportunities. We come from different places. We speak different languages. We have different codes, but we share the same dream. We believe in a world bound together by human connection, and we foster this vision by building financial tools and a content publishing ecosystem that will make financial well-being accessible to people of different cultures, ages, and economic status. Start seeing returns today by investing in tomorrow. Join us at Saitama Inu.
And that's right there on the website. What's their mission? To educate the next generation of investors, make financial well-being accessible to all. So Saitama is doing it real good. Let's go ahead. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We're going to go over to Project X real quick, just skim it a little bit and kind of talk about passive income with nodes, Project X nodes. All right, we're over here at Project X, Project.finance. And what is Project X? What's their vision? Sustained, trustworthy, transparent, cryptocurrency-based passive income, allowing anyone to build our mission. It is designed, build, and operate a healthy, sustainable, passive income cryptocurrency with highly involved, ethical community and global support. You're the X Collective. What's the payout here? Well, you got to have 10 of them to make a Project X node. So you need 10 of the actual token to make one. Here's how much they are right here, $33.36. So you would need 10 of these, so about $333. And what is your reward? You're going to make 0.17 off of every single node. So 0.17 if it's $33.36. And you get 0.17 a day, you're actually making $5.67 a day passive income. If you had 10 of them, you'd be making $50 a day. Rewards are provided and distributed every hour. There's a maximum of 100 nodes in your wallet. Node rewards are across multiple wallets, can be viewed on the dashboard. Nodes cannot be sold or broken back into PXT2. So again, just wanted to kind of share this over here, that Project X nodes is a possible way that you can make passive income. You can have up to 100 of these. I actually have 2 of these that we just got started with. To buy them, you would just click buy right over here, and you would go to your swap and you would do it. All right, so a little passive income on Project X. I just did a video yesterday that's a little longer on it if you want to know all about Project X and the nodes and this and that. It is a cryptocurrency passive income project, just like the Drip Network. Remember, all my information is for educational purposes only. Let's go ahead and head back over to Saitama to do a little price prediction. All right, over here with this token's down about 14%. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and 1836. I'm thinking it could go 7 zeros and maybe a 2222. All our information is for educational purposes only. Make sure you do your own research. I'm not a financial planner. We're just all friends here. Again, over here, coin market cap, Saitama is 2863. Fantastic. You got to love the mission of Saitama Inu. They want to educate the youth, Generation Z. They're saying Generation Z is going to be in the highest buying power in the future of any other generation in history, and they actually need to be educated and learn about this, and they're going to learn about DeFi because they're growing up in DeFi, which is pretty fantastic. And Project X is a great passive income thing. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here so you can see our most recent video, and click over here if you want to learn how you can make 365% on your initial investment, 1% every single day from the Drip Network. All right, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.